23W002160.
Rachel Mead, Deputy for the People.
Good morning.
Assistant Public Defender.
Beautiful ladies.
Morning, Mr. Campbell.
Campbell. Please state your name, sir.
Cortez Campbell.
There was one open and one unsealed 12-ounce can labeled Michelob Ultra. It was located on the back seat, approximately half full and cold to the touch.
So he had open alcohol in the car while he's driving.
That's correct, Your Honor. Breath test results 0.145 and 0.150. Of course, he has an out-of-county.
Mr. McCollum, I want you to realize something. Harris County leads the nation in DWI fatalities. We lead the nation in people who die because of drunk driving collisions. By the grace of whoever, you're standing here before me and not with an intoxication manslaughter case. Find yourself lucky, but I'm telling you now, if I find that you violate anything, I'm gonna light you up. You understand me? I will put you over on my knee and I'll spank you like a little child, but I'll do it with a ton of jail time.
I'm a psycho.
Of May, officer conducted a traffic stop in Harris County, Texas, for a vehicle bearing a fictitious Texas paper license plate. The defendant stated she purchased a vehicle from Facebook Marketplace from an unknown person. The defendant stated she does not know the person's information and cannot get in contact with the person who sold her the vehicle. The defendant admitted to knowing the license plate on her vehicle was fake. The defendant admitted to placing the fictitious license plate on her vehicle. The defendant stated she does not know who sold or gave her the fictitious license plate.
Okay. I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward on the tampering case. Tell me what happened on the aggravated assault, please.
Yes, Judge. That they are in a dating relationship and live together. Plaintiff witness said that an argument ensued when he returned to the apartment and saw another man's clothing. Plaintiff witness locked himself in the restroom, but defendant somehow opened the door and defendant was holding a knife in her hand. Defendant launched at him with the knife and defendant did hit him once with the knife on his left shoulder, causing pain. Plaintiff witness's cell phone video captured defendant with the knife and defendant launching at plaintiff witness.
Okay. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to drive. I don't care what's going on in your life. I'm going to have you sign an affidavit with me today, promising me that you're not going to drive. If I find that you do, I will have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing an additional 6 months every time you drive. Do you understand? Them? I don't think so. I think that you're a complete and utter danger to the public safety. She goes with you.
During the storm, and I couldn't make it.
Again,
It was closed.
picked up an aggravated assault with the, so.
What the hell was that?
Sorry, man. I need her to swear to us that she's not going to drive though first.
End of flashback.
Yeah. I'll be back. No, Friday, no. I mean, Monday. Who do we have? Okay, Sam, you ready? Come on.
Ms. Davis.
Okay.
We're approaching on bond. This is my first time being in court with her.
Okay.
My understanding is that she had a PR bond or GOV.
Hold on, let's see. Right, so she had a PR bond, right? Failed to appear in court. And then she picks up an aggravated assault where she stabs someone multiple times. So I ixnay the PR bond A because of the stabbing A. That's why.
I never stabbed him.
Well, that's okay. That's why we have trials and you can have at it. But to me, my only concern are two things: that you make it to court and that the public is safe. And when those things are violated, that's it. And
What can I say? As far as her making it to court, I'm not sure I wasn't appointed up until, yesterday, but she was not here on the 24th. My understanding is that she said some sort of weather-related event caused her not to be
It
here.
was closed.
She said she called and spoke to
And I
someone, they
told
were
her to.
closed. And so she was here on
That's-
Monday.
I don't,
I get it, but she is like
attorney's
making,
aggravated assault case, right?
so, but the bond has been set. She's made bond on that aggravated assault. So I don't know the extent of the stabbing that you're talking about. I have briefly looked at the offense report. But I know that bond was set on that case at 5,000.
I'm not gonna give a PR bond to someone who picks up an aggravated.
I get a
They gave
monitor.
her surety bond. If you look on it, I'm looking at it and she got one today.
And they gave her a $5,000 surety bond on the aggravated assault.
So
Wow.
I don't know when she.
That's really, really low. Okay,
So I didn't know if the fact of that is the reason that it was set at 5,000.
correct. Right.
Okay.
I revoked the PR bond because she picked up the aggravated assault.
I understand.
Ma'am, two things. You picked up the aggravated assault and the attitude that you showed me the last time you were here and the way you act now to me tells me that you don't care, that you're going to do whatever you want to do as soon as you hit the doors. And so to me, that doesn't show me that I can trust you.
I never been to jail, sir. This is my first time. I never been to jail. I don't do no harm to nobody, sir.
I got you. Judge, can I just say, she's been calling up here trying to figure out, I guess, when she was supposed to come to court. So she came to court willingly on Monday, knowing that she had a warrant. So it's not that she's just disregarding everything here. She's calling up here trying to figure out when to come to court. I know that she had missed the date. So yes, that did happen, but she is making an effort to try to figure out when she's supposed to be here. She got the news that is,
My concern is that she's a danger and her attitude is such that she doesn't care. The attitude that she displayed last time, which is the complete, just,
I wasn't here last time, so I can't.
and it's
speak on
okay.
that.
I just, I
Interactions
don't,
I've had.
she scares me, right? And
So as far as the bond amount, I understand a PR bond is not going to happen. She's not able to afford the $5,000. Is there any way that we can talk about?
She already got on the bond approved. That's what I'm saying.
Are you talking?
She'll be released today.
Oh, on this one?
someone paid her a surety bond?
Yes, it's
Oh,
bond
must be my
approved.
mom, dude. My mom.
I don't think it's still image, but I'm looking at the entries and it says bond approved.
It says, she's right. It says bond made on our case.
And,
I don't know what though. I don't know how. I don't know what happened because whatever happened, whether it was a surety, or whether another magistrate gave her a PR bond, because it's very possible they do that. I don't even want to talk about it, but it's not been imaged yet. So
Okay.
I have no idea what happened.
Okay.
Are you telling me that surety bond was posted?
I'm looking at it. And even has the bondsman today.
She posted a surety bond today.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, well then.
So hold on a second, hold on. Now I need to do bond conditions, right? I think, well, let me make. Okay, so the only thing, you're gonna get out today, Ms. Davis. Someone posted your bond. I don't know who did. The only thing I'm asking you to do are two things. Don't drive because you don't have a license. And don't be a danger to the public. I'm not going to put any conditions on the person you had the issue with in the felony court because that's not with me. The only thing I have is a tampering case. Don't pick up any new cases because if I see that you do or you're a danger to the public, I'm telling you, I'm going to lose it. Please, no driving. Don't be a danger to the public. If you have conditions in the felony court, I would please take a look, because you violate those conditions upstairs. Who is it with?
Judge Unger.
Okay, it's very possible they revoke that bond as well. And I'm telling you, that's a low bond as it is. I've never seen an aggravated assault at 5,000 before, really. So it's lucky. All right? Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. There's already a no driving affidavit, so.
What the hell was that?